That's a famous one. Dinesha Mahesha. Everyone memorizes that. Dinesha Mahesha Rajesha. Suresha. Suresha means Indra, the Lord of the gods. Dinesha, the friend of the poor. Dinesha, Suresha, Ramesha, Mahesha. You know, that's what you're saying.
Yeah, but the young maidens of Vrindavan can make the cow that dance for a milk from the palm of their head.
Yeah, beautiful. Say louder. So we had the English translation first, then we had the Brajbasa rendition. So the English was spoken by an English person, and the Brajbasa was spoken by an Indian person, maybe Brajbasi, who knows. So now we have a nice combination of East and West. So what the translation is: Dinesha, Suresha, Dinesha, Ramesha, Mahesha. Mahesha is Shiva, Shesha, Dinesha, Ananta Shesha, Dinesha. Dinesha is the sun god. Dina means the Lord. Isha means Lord. Din means day. Dinko Radko. You heard Radko? Oh, when's the class? Dinko Radko. You know Hindi. So Dinko. So Dinesha means the Lord of the day. But this is Sanskrit. They could say Surya, they could say Mitra, they could say Bandhu. Many names for sun. So this is very beautiful. Dinesha. The Lord of the Dinesha, and then Mahesha, that's Shiva, and then Shesha. Dinesha, Mahesha, Shesha is almost every Indian I know has this verse memorized. So Dinesha, Mahesha is a very popular one, Rasakan. And then, so the translation, all these gods are running after him. And Brahma, and Shiva, and Indra, and Surya, they're all running after this little boy, Gopal Govinda. And they can't catch him. And where can you find him? You can find him in the courtyard of some gopis, some Abira gopis. And they're clapping their hands, and they're telling him, they say, listen, if you dance, nach, if you dance, we'll give you a leaf cup of buttermilk. And Krishna's dancing, dancing for the gopis to get a leaf cup of buttermilk. Ananda Kanda Bhagavan ki. This is Krishna, Vrindavan, and we love him. Jai Radhe.